What's going on, everybody? So we're currently in a power outage right now. We had high winds yesterday into today, this morning, and even though I checked the farm at about 3 o'clock this morning through the remote cameras that I have set up, sometime between 3 a.m. and the time I got here, which was about 8:30, the power went out, and as a result, it's caused a tremendous amount of issues here at the farm. The major issue being right here. So this is our trout pond. These are rainbow trout that we've had for a year and a half, and I believe I saw one that was alive, and the majority are dead. This is a huge blow for us. This is a couple $1,000s worth of with the rainbow trout. We haven't had a generator, mainly because of cost. We are a small business. We're a very small business. We actually we've been recovering from the heat wave that happened in August, so we lost all of our vegetables in August because we don't have air conditioning in our warehouse. So we were just recovering from that, and now we're dealing with the loss of our rainbow trout, which is huge, because we were actually planning on starting to breed them next year or this coming spring. So we're just kind of asking for your help. We need to buy a generator. We need to be able to replace these fish, but we just don't have the money. We weren't able to get any COVID assistance in the last batch of the PPP and things like that, the EIDL. For whatever reason, the government didn't want to give us any money, even though we got it the first time. No, we can't. We're kind of waiting on some potential investors, but we don't know when that's going to happen. So if you can help, it would be fantastic. Whether you can give $10, $25, we're trying to purchase a generator that's going to be suitable for our size. So we need like a 3,600 watt generator or bigger. And then we need to replace the fish. So anything you can give, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you for all your thoughts, your comments, and your well wishes. Thank you.